Hey, this is Mateo. I kind of want to show you the new look of YouTube Creator AI. You can do a lot of things here. You could, just come to the studio tools and use any of these tools on the left-hand menu here. We added an AI voiceover lab, so you can check that out as well. The really cool thing here is the research lab. So we can put in, let me do my channel, at Rich Fabulous. Bear with me, I can't spell, at Rich Fabulous. And it's going to go ahead and do some research here. Give this just a minute. It's going to pull up some of my most recent videos. So it kind of gives us some recent videos here that I've done, and it kind of shows what they were when I had the subs. And then what it's going to do is going to give us a kind of a little brief here on my channel. Kind of talks about my Rich and Fabulous, Be Nice Media, what type of genre it does. There's some outlier videos here that you can kind of take a look at. So check it out. So we have like the research lab. You can put in some ideas for some videos. You can just click a button here. You could go ahead and put in what your channel's about, get an idea of what your audience is, and your ideation suite. We have our resources now, so if you save anything's here, they'll come down to your saved vault items, things like that as well. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. Stop guessing, start growing.